Parking for residents is in the locked basement car park of the complex. This area is common property. The Council of Owners have entered into an agreement with the local council to issue infringement notices for parking exceeding 4 hours in the visitors' bays unless the car is registered with the building manager. There's no scheme bylaw or resolution at the last AGM to do this. Is a bylaw needed to be passed to make the changes to common property?
It may be that there is actually a bylaw. That the standard Schedule 1 and Schedule 2 bylaws do actually, the Schedule 2 bylaw 1, 2 does talk about parking on common property. So there may be something there that does talk to this problem. But ultimately, the function of the strata company are to be performed by the council as long as they've been authorised under Section 118. So, it's anticipated that you can't obstruct common property. There is nothing prohibiting the council from entering into agreement with the local council to help police the use of the visitor car parking bays, as long as they've been authorised under Section 118. Saying that, a bylaw does help clarify it all and also provide some better structure around how the visitor bays may be managed. So I would certainly encourage them to think about registering a bylaw to that effect. But with wheel clamping going and limited avenues to be able to police car parking, visitor car parking, entering into agreements with local council is the best way forward for most strata companies.